Hello, viewers. I'm that your friend, Father Michael Obudu, a Catholic priest who is so passionate about farming. Today we shall be discussing on the best time to sell your boiler beds. The best time because there are some persons who go into boiler production, but they don't know how and when to sell their beds. That is why we shall be discussing on the best time to sell your boiler beds. What we have here, they are wow, car.
Okay.
These are some of the. Sorry about that. Well, we shall continue the. These are the signs that we are farmers. Though after now we want to pull up the shirts. The best time to sell your bird is actually like what I said. The there are some persons who go into boiler bird production without knowing when and how to sell their birds. Boiler birds are actually the bird we rear for the meat consumption. We also have the layer birds for the egg production. But today we shall be discussing on in this our sector and the the boiler section. We shall be discussing on the best time to sell your bird. Uh, the boiler bird, like what I said, is for the meat consumption. And there are some who rear them for regular sales, like 6 weeks, 8 weeks. For those who rear regularly. So the best time to sell them, if they meet up the market price around 6 weeks to 8 weeks. Beyond that, you will be running at loss. There are also those who rear for festive season. Those who target the Christmas and the New Year season, those who target the Ramadan and the Salah season, and those who prepare for the Easter season. These are some of the best time you rear and market your birds. Like what we have here now, we have they are going to their 5 weeks in age, and what we are trying to do is to see how we can rear these birds for the Easter because the Easter at the corner to rear them so that we can take them to the market for the festive season. And when you target this festive season, you can be able to read them within the gap of about 2, 3 to 4 months. That will be sizable for the festive season because there is birds that are meant for festive season. Those those big and robot type which people prefer to those 6 and 8 weeks soon. So these are the best timing which you can rear this bird. So don't just jump into broiler production without knowing when you want to sell off these birds. Once more, I remembered your friend, Father Michael Obodu, a Catholic priest who is so passionate about farming. Thank you, and God bless you.